Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install Kanban Task Manager on two sites in SharePoint on premises using the PowerShell script that you can download from the kalmstrom.com website. In this demo, I've prepared two SharePoint sites here in the background, and also I've downloaded the zip file, and I'm going to extract those files into a new directory. So there you see we have the three files: the JavaScript main functionality file, the ASPX host container, and the installer. We're going to use the integrated scripting environment to do that. So I'm going to start the ISE here, run it as administrator. It's always a good idea when you're running first time and you want to install components. And then I'm going to just open that KTM installer there, open. And now we need to make some changes here. It's this line here, the SP version, and then here, the URLs. So those are the changes. And if you're online, then you need to worry about the client ID. But on premises, you don't. So now I'm just going to copy the URL here and paste that in here. That's the first site, and then there's the second one right there. Just copy in the URLs that you want to install Kanban Task Manager onto. So that's it. Of course, you can change this to 2013, 16, 19 SPC or online. But the principle for this is the same for all on-premises versions. So those are the changes that you need to make. Make sure that you have the right SP version and the correct URLs, of course. Then you just run the script. And yes, I want to save that. That's fine. And now it's connecting and making sure the site assets exists and so on. And then it's all done. So let's go check it. Here we go into site contents now, and you'll see that the site assets is there, and here are the files that was just added a few seconds ago. On the second one here, we can go into site settings there and see that the Kanban Task Manager is indeed there. So that shows that the script is working. It's done its job. We can also go through here and actually show what the script is doing. First of all, it's setting some error handling preferences, that it should stop instead of continuing if something goes wrong. Then there's this function here that checks if a module is installed or not, and that's used for the proper module for which version you're running. Then it's checking if you're online or if you're on not, and in that case we're just checking which the ISE version is and so on, right? It's just some basic error handling there, minimizing it. And here, if all has gone well so far, then we're looping those sites. Those are the ones we defined up here, the sites there. Looping through them, connecting to the site, and then getting the web, ensuring that there is a site assets library there. And then we're adding the files and adding the custom action to make sure that that is showing up under site settings. That's it. That's the script. Thank you for watching this demo.